When I turn on this ASUS laptop, the screen stays blank. The backlight is on, but there is no display. Want to know what caused the problem and how I fix it? Watch this video until the end. The owner mentioned that the laptop screen went blank all of a sudden while he was using it. So let's dive in and see what's going on. I will start by disassembling the laptop. I noticed this area feels quite hot. Based on this symptom, I'm guessing it could be an overheating issue. When laptops overheat, they sometimes trigger a shutdown to protect the hardware. It's definitely hot around the heatsink. Taking a closer look, the fan is also dirty and covered with dust. I will replace the RAM with a non-good stick to rule out any memory issues. Let's give it a try. Unfortunately, no change. The laptop still refuses to boot. Next, I'll disconnect the battery and see what happened. There we go. Now we have a picture on the screen. That's a good sign. Let's reconnect the battery and test it again. The laptop boots up just fine. It seems my initial guess was correct. The laptop likely shut down as a self-protection measure, probably due to overheating. Disconnecting and reconnecting the battery reset the protection. To prevent this from happening again, I'll replace the CPU's thermal paste and give the fan a good cleaning.
Nama bila?
Now I test the laptop's stability by running the CPU at 100% for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the temperature holds below 75 degrees Celsius, so you are good to go. And thanks for watching everyone. If you enjoyed this repair or found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more repair videos. See you next time.